Hi everyone. I'm excited to have you. My name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers. Okay. Today I'm going to be showing you some very powerful tool in your Prota structure 2025. This is a very great feature. I'm going to be demonstrating that for you. You can see here on Prota structure 2025 it has what we call the castellated. This is a castellated member. I'll be demonstrating that for you. It's mind-blowing. You will enjoy it, you will like it. So let's say I have a member like this. I'll click on still member. Sorry, come back to my model, use my still. From here to here, this one, this is I, this is J. Let me go to the property of this and my 3D. So along my Y direction, so let me have this at 2000, let's see 15. No, this is not what I want. Properties. Three-D. It should be Z then. This should be Z. It should be 0. Updates. Good. So I can do similarly for this. This is J, this is I. Properties. If you double click, it will bring out the property as well. So I can make this also 15. Updates. Sorry, what am I doing? 3D. This is I, long I, 15. This is 0. Updates. Alright, good. Do you know that you can as well copy? This is one very great tool. You can copy this with base point. Very important. You can see, very interesting. You can see Prota structure is becoming way more easier and way more faster. Honestly, these people are not sleeping at all. They are not sleeping on this. I can create a castellated, look at the shape type, whether circular or hexagonal. However, if I want to use the circular, I can specify the offset. That is, you should know the length from here to here. So if you know that, so from here to here, I think this is 5 meters. From here to here is another 5 meters. The overall length, if I'm not mistaken, is 10 meters. Okay, yeah, it's 5 meters. So you can actually use that to specify what is the diameter of this and all of that. So I can just update if I know all of those information. So it's actually loading. Okay, good. That has been created. Amazing, right? This is a very powerful tool. that Prota structure has actually included in their software. So you can achieve these for both this that comes this way, slopes, or when you have a curve, you can also achieve that. Very, very interesting. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly basis, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight design. Make sure you stay safe. Make sure you stay blessed. Okay, so you can see this is the hexagonal. Amazing. I'll see you in the next video.